Playboy image in his young age. While pursuing his education abroad, Imran Khan developed a reputation as something of an aristocratic playboy who chased supermodels around London nightclub circuit and posed lounging on a bed in nothing but a pair of satin shorts. He swung between life in conservative Pakistan and the liberal West and was a flamboyant celebrity whose romances often made headlines. In his youth, he is said to have dated several women around the world, including Bollywood stars and at least one from Hollywood. Goldie Hawn reported of his carefree days, he once said, "The Playboy image is exaggerated, but I'm not a saint either." The one serious relationship he had in this phase was with Emma Sargent, an English painter, but it did not culminate in marriage. Khan was a bachelor for the first 42 years of his life. In the next 23 years, he married thrice, Imran, then 42. First married in 1995 the British socialist Jemima Goldsmith, who converted to Islam. Then 21. That ended in divorce after 9 years in 2004. Jemima hated the shallowness of Western life and longed for a more meaningful existence. She married Imran and felt that in him she had met her soulmate, but ultimately got disillusioned, and the relationship ended in divorce. The marriage with his second wife, Reham, a British TV presenter, ended in 2015, just after 10 months. It thus lasted as long as a commercial break. Reham has written about Imran's sexual encounters with many women and his cocaine addiction. Imran wedded his spiritual guide, then known as Bushra Wattoo, in a traditional Islamic ceremony during which the bride was shrouded head to toe in veils. There were many reports by various media houses that Bushra Bibi married Imran Khan when she had a dream. The rumours said that the Prophet Muhammad had asked her to marry Imran for the betterment of his life and the country's condition. Khan, who is believed to be superstitious, married Bushra Bibi, the mother of 5, who is known as Pirni, a title used in Sunni, Brelvi Islam for a woman's spiritual guide. Men are called Pirs. Imran has been quoted by reports as saying that the marriage was more about spiritual connection than physical attraction. People in Pakistan talk of mysterious supernatural activities in Imran's residential complex, something that Khan's wife is known to believe in and take part in. In his first address in 2018, their counting started after the elections, and results started pouring in. Imran Khan, seemingly spellbound by his spiritual wife, became more traditionalist and spoke about making Pakistan like 7th century Medina.